Hello, this is Ksenia with Rainbow Ranch Farms, and today I'm going to show you how I do a regular maintenance on my Himalayan salt block cutting board, also known as a baking board for the oven. So on this Himalayan pink salt board, I cut vegetables, fruit, chicken, beef, pork, lamb, eggs. I cut everything on here. I bake on it also, and I try to keep it as clean as I can without degrading it too quickly. So the first thing I do is I take a damp, clean cloth and just gently scrub it on the top and on the sides. No soap, no cleanser, not even baking soda, nothing. Just water, that's it, and it needs to be cold water. Otherwise, if you use hot, you're going to degrade this even faster. So cold water is fine, all right? I flip it over, and then I go over it with a dry cloth and try to pick up as much of that moisture that I just put on there as possible, right? These are great boards. And they're sanitary, and that's what I love about these blocks. So here I have a dent, a divot, a dimple from where? I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to try and show it to you. And so sometimes it's hard to get into there with just a cloth. I can use a brush on there, a nice, damp brush, and get those little dimples even cleaner. And that's all right too. But I like to stand it up after I'm finished and let it dry. And then when it's dry, I'll flip it over and dry the top. It's that simple for regular maintenance. I hope this helps you maintain your Himalayan pink salt block. Thank you.